Have you ever looked at your balance after a completely normal month and wondered where the money actually went? You didn't buy a new car or take a flight to Europe, but somehow your account is sitting at zero. It's a specialized kind of 3 a.m. anxiety, staring at the ceiling and wondering why you're still playing defense with your bank account despite having a decent job. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the ghost expenses that are quietly draining your future. If you're tired of watching your hard-earned cash disappear on overpriced garbage, I'm going to show you exactly how to find $500 in your current budget by the end of this video. I spend an embarrassing amount of time analyzing financial psychology and why regular people stay stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Most of us think we need to earn more to get ahead, but the real secret to building wealth isn't just earning money, it's keeping it. If you're ready to stop being a tenant to the companies you buy from and start being an owner of your own life, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's look at the first major hole in your bucket. It starts with something that makes a lot of people defensive. Fast food is the budget-friendly hack it used to be. We've all just accepted that a basic burger and fries now costs $15 or $20, which is what a sit-down restaurant cost just a few years ago. You're paying premium prices to eat out of a paper bag in your car. When you add in regular restaurant meals, you're looking at $100 for two people to have an experience that is gone the moment you walk out the door. Think about your last meal out. Was it actually worth the $80 or $100 you'll never get back? Tell me in the comments what your limit is for a dinner for two. The average person is spending thousands of dollars every year on these minor conveniences that they could have made at home for a fraction of the price. Next are the subscription services that act like a slow leak. We think it's only $15 a month, but when you're paying for 5 or 6 different streaming platforms, you're looking at $1,000 a year for television you probably don't even watch. Companies count on you feeling like canceling is too much of a hassle. The same applies to the gym membership you stopped using 2 months ago. People keep paying $50 or $60 a month because canceling feels like admitting they've given up on their health goals. But keeping the bill doesn't make you fit. It just makes you $600 poorer every year. And then we have the $1,000 phone upgrades. Tech companies have mastered the art of making you feel like your perfectly functional phone is obsolete, because the new one has a slightly better camera. You're essentially paying thousands of dollars every few years to scroll social media on a different screen. Quick reality check. Is a better camera really improving your life in a way that's worth a $1,000 hit to your savings? Probably not. This matches the brand name tax we pay on everything from t-shirts to cleaning products. People will pay $200 for a shirt with a designer logo when a generic one for $10 is made in the same factory with the same cotton. You're paying a 1900% markup just to tell strangers you have a certain brand. Let's look at the math, because this is where everything changes. The average American spends over $3,000 per year on these convenience and status purchases. If you redirected that $3,000 into a simple index fund, earning 8%, you'd have roughly $70,000 in 7 years. Instead, most people have a median retirement balance of $88,000 at age 65, which only provides about $300 a month in income. Does that sound like a good deal to you? To work for 40 years just to live on $300 a month because you wanted the newest iPhone and the $200 logo on your chest? You can either look wealthy or be wealthy, but for most people, you can't do both. The person driving the older car and using the generic cleaning supplies is usually the one sleeping better at night because they have $20,000 in the bank and zero financial stress. Start plugging these holes today. Track your spending for 30 days and I guarantee you'll find at least 3 ghost expenses you can kill.